what's up you guys? My name is Vivian from ThePaperLetterBlog. Today we're opening the May Pipsticks pack. The joy when I found this pack in my mailbox just 10 minutes ago. I'm always excited when I find this colorful Pipsticks envelope in my mailbox, but this time even more so because they accidentally sent it to my old address. And the reason why this went wrong is because I changed my shipping address immediately, of course, because I didn't want it to be sent to the old address, but I did a hidden giveaway in the previous Pipsticks video where I gave away one Pipsticks pack to one lucky winner. They added the winner's address to my account, and then for some reason it accidentally set back to my old shipping address as well. So what I did is I had the mail company forward my mail, and apparently this happened just in time. Like, they set it in motion just in time for the Pipsticks pack to arrive at the new house, because otherwise I would have to make an appointment with the new renter of the old apartment, and he's not very easy to get in touch with. So I'm very happy. I haven't looked at it yet. I only cut it open because, you know, video efficiency. And today we have these fun little I don't know, it looks like those protesting signs, and they actually look a lot like the protesting signs that were in the previous Pippi magazine. Wow, great video, Vivian. I have my raffle ticket here. We're going to check the Pippi magazine at the end of this video to see if we won anything. But now we're going to... Oh my god, is this a puffy sticker? I think there might be a puffy sticker in here, finally. Now we're going to take out the sheets one by one. I did see some spoilers on Instagram, but I don't actually remember them. Okay, we have mission statement, and then this is actually, I think this was in the previous Pippi magazine as well, the little protesting signs, and then you can write something on here as well. So this is the little postcard. I can actually use that for Happy Mail. The first sheet I grab matches the color of the envelope very, very well. Oops, I almost forgot. I always forget to do this, but I just wanted to quickly point out that this video is not sponsored. I'm not affiliated with Pipsticks in any way. The moment I do get affiliated with one of these companies, I will let you know. But for now, I normally pay for these subscriptions with my own money. I just use their referral link. That means that if I get 3 people to sign up for Pipsticks, I get 1 month for free. So I would be very happy if you guys want to sign up, if you would use the link, the referral link that I will mention down below. Also, for the Pipsticks giveaway that I did, I paid for that with my own money. So just wanted to let you know that my opinions aren't influenced by Pipsticks in any way. So with that aside, first sheet are these adorable little chicks. I think this would actually be kind of perfect for Easter mail, except Easter's already been, but it would probably also match quite well with spring themed mail. I think I might actually cut this up and send it to pen pals because it's so fun. Quite like that. The next thing I grab, oh, I like this. It's like a paper feel sticker sheet. I think, yeah, this is Pipsticks Originals. I think they were very pleased with this design because it's all over the place today. But again, you have these little protesting signs. And I think, yeah, the blank ones, obviously you can draw or write something in here, but I think these are really cute for making mail or putting envelopes on here, or putting on envelopes, well. I'm sorry, I filmed 2 PO box opening videos today as well, so I'm a little bit out of it. But this is really cute. It says peace, love and stickers, together, smile, and then all of these rainbows and sunshines. I quite like that. I also like that it's paper instead of the plasticky stickers because, I don't know, I'm a textures kind of person. And then, oh, this is again Pipsticks, a Pipsticks original sheet. We have all of these adorable little animals with glasses for some reason. I quite like the cats. And these also feel kind of different. I don't know, I quite like that. But what I think I will do once again is I will cut that in half or in 4, and I will share these with others, because although I really like these type of stickers, I don't actually ever use animal themed stickers, so I think they're better off as gifts than unused in my drawer. Oh my god, this is some retro looking sheet with lava lamps. I actually have a lava lamp, it's green, it's really cool. I've had it since I was a child. And it says keep the love flowing, and it has holographic foiling. All of these on here. Yeah, it's fun. You can easily cut it into 4, which is perfect. I think I might keep this side myself, the little smileys and the keep the love flowing, but I don't know about the lava lamps. But they will be cute as gifts once again. I keep saying that. Is there a puffy sticker in here? I thought so, but maybe it's just... Oh no, what if there's not? So disappointed. Ooh, yellow is definitely the color of choice this month. We've got these super fluorescent little circle and flower stickers. You can take out the middle. That's quite cute. Quite like these. Yellow is not my color at all. Like, I know that many of you are here just to see the stickers, but I also give my opinion, okay? Let me have this. Yellow is definitely not my color, but I could see how this would look really, really cute on a colorful envelope to create like some sort of confetti or a flower trail. So I'm not actually going to share these. I think I'll keep them myself. What is this? Oh my god, avocados! This is so cute. This is an avocado yoga sheet. This is perfect. These are so funny. They have all of these little word stickers that say or namaste, and then of course some yoga mats and a ton of avocados doing yoga. Now, this is some very unrelated information, but my boyfriend and I, when he works at home, we like to buy bagels at the farmer's market and eat them with avocado. So I could totally use these to mark those days in my calendar, but I could also use these on Happy Meal because they're honestly quite funny. I really like that. That's quite fun. I don't like, for some reason, I have a thing against stickers with animals and stickers with faces. Don't ask me why. I'm actually quite a boring person, but I really do like these. Kind of fun and quirky, and definitely me. And the next sheet I grab, oops, I'm grabbing a couple together. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh wait, I have 2. Oh, we have the vinyl sticker of this month. It says keep the love flowing, so that is the same design as this, but then different colors. I love that blue in the background, the red a little bit less, but I have to say, I don't know, I like this kind of hippie retro style. I think I will share that with someone else, because so far I've kept all of the vinyl stickers myself, and it's probably a good thing to share some as well, as I'm not using them, I'm actually just hoarding them. The next sheet is again a lot of dogs. I feel like there have been a lot of dogs in the packs lately, but I also saw, I'm part of the Pipsticks sticker group on Facebook, and I saw that a lot of people love the dog sheets, so I get why they're doing more of them, because there's probably a lot of people who love these. I don't own a dog, so I think these are cute for gifting. Won't be using them myself. Oh, this one is so sad, the little dog in the cone. I remember that. I did grow up with dogs. Very, very cute. I think I will gift these to someone else. Probably a lot of dog owners who will be very happy to receive these. So overall, so far, not bad. I'm not upset. I don't think I've ever been upset with the Pipsticks pack. The only time I didn't really like it was when I had the first time pack, which was a different one. By the way, the giveaway winner, she also won this pack, and it should have arrived at her doorstep already, I hope at least. Oh my god, and then the next one is a laundry themed item. You can say a lot about Pipsticks, but not that they are traditional sticker companies or boring. This is actually quite fun. We've got little laundry baskets, washing machines, detergent, and a lot of cute pegs. The cute pegs, they also have holographic foiling. I could totally use these for mail, for decorating mail. And the other ones, I think I will use them to mark the days I'm doing laundry in my bullet journal, because I've been trying to find cute functional stickers and I can't. So these are definitely going to be used for that. That's quite cute. I especially like the detergent because it looks so cute with a little flower on it. Yeah, I'm weird, okay? I don't necessarily like the dog stickers and I do like the laundry machine stickers. Sue me. Oh my, oh I like these. This is my raffle ticket for next month. I'll put it aside. I like these. This is like, again, a papery feel sticker. Again, avocados, but also fruit. This could be fun for like a farmer's market themed envelope or something like that. I like this. I will be keeping this myself. And it's kind of perfect for spring as well. I don't know why. Maybe summer with like the lemons and the peaches. Quite like that. I'm going quite fast today. What do we have here? Oh my god, I love the look of this. Oh, this is my favorite sheet so far. We've got tons of little flowers and then flowers on like a trellis or something. Flowers on a string. That is so adorable, and they have like a little bit of pink foiling on them. Yes, this is me. This, I'm keeping this, although I could also cut off like individual strips, but I'm not going to do that because I like this too much. This is perfect for spring. Yes, please. This is me on a sheet. That's my favorite so far. Okay, what else do I grab? Okay, I think this one, yeah, this one I saw on Facebook actually, because like I said, I'm a member of the Pipsticks Facebook group where you can swap stickers. I'm actually just like a silent watcher, but I shouldn't watch too often because there's often Pipsticks spoilers in there. We have all of these little girls with a little bit of pink foiling. They're quite cute. I can also, what I also like is that you can cut it out again. You can cut them into 4, you can cut them into, I don't know, 8, I think. I'm going to share these because, for example, I know that Brittany McCowan, yes, you know, if you're watching this, I don't know. I know she loves those little girl stickers, and I know many more people love them. So I think I might have to share these with a lot of people. Cute. Not my style, but very cute. And just because something is not my style doesn't mean that I don't love giving it away. Okay, Pipsticks. Okay, this is a little bit weird, but I actually kind of like it. This is a cleaning themed sheet. Like I said, I have been looking for cute functional planner stickers. I think I actually quite like these. Time to tidy, squeaky clean, make things sparkle, and then a ton of cleaning supplies. I'm not upset about this. I like it. We've got cleaning gloves, bin. Oh, these are perfect for like when I have to put the bin outside. Yeah, I'm actually like, these would not really be cute for gifting, but I quite like keeping these myself. Oh, there's no puppy sticker. I thought because it was kind of fat there would be a puppy sticker in there, but sad to say that there is no. Oh, that's cute. It's like every month they have like some sort of a color in sticker, and this month it is 2 fashionable pairs of legs and shoes. A bit more artistic, I think, but I quite like it. This would also look kind of cute on a flip book, I guess, as a background or on an envelope. I don't know. I wouldn't normally pick this, but I actually think I'm going to keep it myself. And then, is it the last sheet already? Oh no. I don't know what happened, but somehow the footage for this particular sheet of stickers got lost. But I think it speaks for itself. We've got tigers, panthers, lions, and holographic foiling. That's always the good thing with the Pipsticks stickers. Even if I don't like them, the stickers are such good quality and kind of special. Like I've never seen any of these before. So even if I don't necessarily like them myself, they will be great for gifting to someone else. So let me look at the Pipkey magazine. Nice and colorful. Oh, this month's stickers are an ode to the flower child in all of us. Yeah. That's me. I'm a flower child. Wow, it says that they're adding a booster pack with like extra stickers and stuff to next month's pack. So I might have to order that. That's kind of cool. That is really cool. Oh, creative challenge. Make cool stuff using stickers to block out shapes and patterns. May VIP raffle prize. Oh no, I didn't win. Meh, sad. Oh, I shouldn't. Oh wow, this is like the next. Wow. This is such. I want to win next month's sticker. I want to win next month's prize because that backpack is absolutely gorgeous. A folio full of floral stickers. Oh my god, I need to win next month. And this is a preview of the next month, which I don't want to see, so I'm just covering that up. And then the Pips poll. We can fill out the poll. Oh no, this is the result of the poll. That's quite fun. Okay, so that was this month's Pipsticks pack. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope, yeah, you know, if you want to subscribe for yourself, please use my link. If you don't want to subscribe, you know, that's also fine. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more Happy Meal videos. I open the Pipsticks and the Paper Gang pack every month. Paper Gang, not every month. Pipsticks, definitely. So, subscribe if you want to see more, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye!